Get ready for the dictation. Start. Our jurisdiction under Chapter 8, Rule 5 of the Allahabad High Court rules has been invoked to question the legality and validity of the order dated 3/3/2023 passed by learned single judge in writ C number 1747 of 2023. By the said order, learned single judge has dismissed the writ petition which was filed with a prayer for quashing the order passed by the National Commission for Indian System of Medicine, hereinafter referred to as the Commission, dated 2/3/2023, whereby the prayer of the appellants petitioners for reducing the percentile criteria for admission to undergraduate BUMS and BAMS courses based on NEET 2022 has been refused, and further the request for extending the date of counselling for the purposes of said admission has also not been acceded to. Heard Sri Rajat Rajan Singh, Sri Vidhu Bhushan Kalia and Sri Adarsh Saxena advocates, the learned counsel representing the appellants petitioners, and Sri Asit Chaturvedi, learned senior advocate, assisted by Sri Devak Vardhan, advocate for the commission, Sri Sailendra Kumar Singh, learned chief standing counsel, assisted by Sri Nishant Shukla, learned standing counsel, representing the state of UP, Sri Anand Dwivedi, learned counsel representing the Union of India. In deference to our order passed on 4/3/2023, Dr. S. Srinivasa Prasad Beduru, President, Board of Ayurveda, National Commission for Indian System of Medicines, is present in person in the court. He has also been heard in support of the case put forth before us by the Commission. We have also perused the records available before us on this special appeal. The appellant number 1 is a society which runs a medical college offering undergraduate bachelor's degree courses in Unani system of medicine, whereas the appellant number 2 is also a society which runs a medical college offering undergraduate course in Ayurvedic system of medicine. The Central Legislature enacted the National Commission for Indian System of Medicine Act 2020, Act number 14 of 2020, for providing an appropriate medical education system that improves access to quality and affordable medical education and further ensures availability of adequate and high quality medical professionals of Indian system of medicine in all parts of the country. The functions of the said commission as described in section 10 of the Act 2020 are inter alia to lay down policies for maintaining high quality and high standards in education in Indian system of medicine and to make necessary regulations. Therefore, Section 55(1) of the 2020 Act empowers the Commission to make regulations to carry out the provisions of the said Act in exercise of its powers vested in it under subsection 2 of Section 55 of 2020 Act. Two separate sets of regulations have been framed by the Commission, which are known as National Commission for Indian System of Medicines minimum standards of undergraduate Unani education regulations 2022 notified respectively on 16 to 2022 and 28 to 2022 as per the scheme for making admissions available in these two regulations. Admissions to undergraduate courses in Ayurvedic and Unani systems of medicine are made through national eligibility cum entrance test NEET, which is to be conducted by an authority to be designated for the said purpose by the Commission. The authority designated for conducting the NEET by the Commission is National Board of Examination in Medical Science, New Delhi. Stop.
हेलो साउथ इंडियंस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। ऐसे ही और हार्ड वर्ड्स की आउटलाइन और वर्ड्स डिफ्रेंसिएशन की वीडियोस के लिए प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन। थैंक यू।